the world. It's also not so laggy either. See, so calm. No flying cars. No car horn. You know, it's just calm. See, I can even cross it. Ah! See, I can cross it. I just crossed it. It's that easy. You just cross it like this. See, so easy. Let me try that again. If you didn't understand. Easy peasy. That person just died because he never knew how to do it. Now let's do this again. See? Easy peasy. Now you understand how to cross this nice highway. Well, there goes Ohio. He's not very smart at doing this. Ah! That person is a bad driver. I know how to cross this road. See, it's that easy. I can even cross this road with my eyes closed. See, I crossed it and I went so far. It's that easy. Did I cross it? I don't know. My eyes were closed. Whatever. You don't have to believe it. Let's go. Papa, boy. Papa, go. Papa, say. What the? See, it's so easy. Buy Walmart some space. Oh, look at that. It's exploding cars everywhere. All of those are bad drivers. I want to get to the gas station. So, let's go to the gas station. Yo, look at those cars. Yeah, they don't. See, I can do this. Ow! What the? That was a total mistake. That was not me being bad at going through this road. Oh my gosh, how much cars are going there? This place is, I don't know, nowhere safe, I think. No one to me. There's sounds coming out from nowhere, like in this highway. I don't know why. How am I flying away? I'm just gonna get there. I know I can get there. It's a fireworks. It's lots of fireworks. Can you see? Look at this car strike. This is for everybody who's that stupid. Look at this, y'all. It's me. I have destroyed. And that's how you destroy the world. I can't even. It's so laggy. What's happening? Is there another airstrike? Nah. Right? Oh my god. Oh lord, please. Oh gosh, it's broken. I am dead. Nah. Oh yay. Okay, what is that? It's flying. There are cars that are flying. How? He chases me now. How? Yeah. Hello? Oh gosh, this thing is dead, man. Nothing. Well, that's it for now. This thing just died. You are welcome.